Are you aware that millions of people are making money online by simply selling products? Most of these people don't even step their leg into a physical store, and most of them don't even touch the product they sell. Sounds strange, right? That is the power of e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact type of e-commerce business that you can do today, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how to succeed. So stay tuned to the end. Welcome to Digital World by Coach Hannah, your go-to channel for mastering online income, building passive income stream, and creating long-time financial freedom through digital strategies. Whether you are a beginner looking to make your first dollar on the internet space, or you are a professional ready to scale up your side hustle, then this channel is perfect for you. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any strategies just like this. Today's video, we are going to learn 6 powerful things about e-commerce business. The first one, which is going to be transaction model, so that you can choose which one that best suits you. Then the second one is how to get people to discover your store. Then the third one, we are going to talk about how to get these people to trust you and buy from you. Then we are going to talk about the fourth one, which is going to be how these people will keep coming back to you. Then the fifth one is we are going to talk about how to get massive traffic to your store. Then the sixth one, we are going to talk about the app that you will use to get your payment instantly. I believe by the end of this video, you will be ready to launch your e-commerce business. All right, let's start with the transaction model, which is being broken into 4 sections in this video. The first one, which is B2C, which is business to consumer. This model is the perfect example of those people who owns a clothing or a shoe website where they sell directly to individuals. The second section is B2B, which is business to business. This section is a section whereby you sell in bulk to other businesses like a wholesaler to a retailer. The third one is C2C, which is consumer to consumer. This model is a model whereby individuals sell to each other using platforms like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. The fourth section is C2B, which is consumer to business. This process is a process whereby as a freelancer or a service provider, you sell directly to companies. Now let's talk about the business formats. The first format is the traditional format. This format allows you to stock and ship products directly to your customer or by yourself. The second format is drop shipping. This format, you need no inventory. Your supplier ship the product directly to your customer on your behalf. Third format is the print on demand, which is my own personal favorite, whereby you sell customized items like t-shirts, mug, phone cases, and so on. Then this is how this one do operate. Once a customer places an order, it is your supplier who does both the printing and shipping the product directly to your customers on your behalf. Here is a simple process to launch your e-commerce store in 7 steps. The first step is to choose the best platform that best suits you. Platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, Jumia, or even a social media shop. Step 2 is to add product to your store. You will need to add product to your store with a clear description, price, and variation. Then the third step is customer browse and add product to cart. Step 4 is accepting payment. You can do this via paper, paystack, or payment on delivery. Any of these systems work perfectly. Step 5 is the fulfilling order aspect. This is where you either ship the product directly to your customer if the product is a physical product. But if this product is a digital product, then it is something that the customer can download instantly. Step 6 is tracking your profit. This aspect requires you to do your plus and minus by subtracting the cost of the products, shipping, and marketing, so that by doing so, you will be able to know how much is left as a profit for you. Step 7 is by scaling up. This process is needed because you will need to scale up your store for more massive sales, and you can do this by using automation and marketing. Step 4. To gain more customers and to keep bringing back the old customers, use email marketing. Let email marketing be your best friend. And if you want to learn how to do email marketing step by step, I have done a video that explains that on this channel, so check it out. Step 5 is very, very important, which has to do with having a reliable shipping company. If you are able to partner with a reliable company, it will help you gain fast trust from your customer. The beauty of e-commerce is that it has low startup costs and it's run 24/7 globally, and it's easy to scale up if you are able to do all the things I mentioned in this video right. Yes, there is competition, and yes, shipping can be sometimes tricky, but with the right strategies, you can turn this into a profitable long-time business. Now that you know the type of e-commerce business and how to start step by step, which of the model do you think best suits you? Put your answer on the comment section and I will reply to as many as possible. If this video has helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video to anybody who wants to start an online business. Until next time, keep building digital.